Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago with 120 film reversal. This is my subject today, and I got this image, and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges, as always. And I'm gonna turn this one off now, and I'm gonna make something interesting image from these two images, and I try to make some kind of illustration type. I don't know, it's gonna be not oil paint this time because pretty much like the image. So let's get started. I have this image. I'm gonna make duplicate layer, then keep for base image, turn it off. Then I'm gonna work on this with smudging as always with evolve. This is pretty nice. Then smudge from outside. This is a little bit bigger, so make it small. Then this model's foot, smudge outside, and this has that interesting texture, so I'm gonna make it smaller to leave these images too. That's fine. Okay, let's go for model. Nice smudging tool, isn't it? It's already looks like something drawing. Okay, almost done for model. Then I go outside this wall, get some texture a little bit. Then maybe I'm gonna this outside lines, just take these black lines out. Okay, that's it for smudging. And let's see, we have this pencil drawing type. I'm going to change blend mode. It's now normal to darken. I see some pencil drawing type image, linear burn, color burn, overlay. So far overlays more interesting. Nice pencil drawing, isn't it? Let's see. Soft light, overlay about 40%. Then let's see about this base image. This is kind of interesting. Linear burn max. Okay, just leave this. I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then just keep for base normal image. Just turn it off to keep this. Then luminosity, this is 60% luminosity. Then this one is linear burn. Then linear burn max. Then top image, which is pencil drawing type, overlay about 50%. Yeah, I think I kind of like this contrasty image, but let's see. Now I want to duplicate this layer too. Then take this one, go back to normal, pencil drawing type image. I just want to keep this. Just turn it off. Now I have just normal image and this pencil drawing type image. Just go down to keep these two as a normal. Just keep it. Now I see these three images. One is luminosity 60%, linear burn max, overlay 50% to get this image what are we looking at now. Now also though, I want to see her hair texture, so if I turn this one down, then I see normal regular images like that. So I want to get this hair texture, so I'm gonna make duplicate, then take this one up, maybe here. Okay, this is normal now. I'm going to turn this one off. Then I'm going to see this image only for her hair texture. Now change the blend mode. Just leave everything on. Then I'm going to see this. Change texture. Wow, we see lighten or screen. Add lighter color. Okay, so in this case, add has a little bit contrasty, but screen is maybe nice. So take the screen. Okay, leave this screen and 50% for her hair texture. So I'm gonna change the name. This is for hair. Okay, this one for hair, then turn it off now. Just keep. Then this is okay, pencil drawing type image and a little dark. This one is luminosity. Then this is linear burn. We see overlay here. Okay, overlay has this text, pencil drawing type image, not much showing that. So this is overlay, right? Now I want this one to be, okay, overlay gets this texture, so this effect, I think almost. So I'm gonna change this name, pencil drawing, but overlay 50. Okay, just effect lighten up contrast for this layer. Then I'm gonna duplicate pencil drawing type image, duplicate, bring this one up, keep these two. Okay, I'm gonna change name also. Then this one change name, rename. Okay, these two images are just for keep. Then I just copy this pencil drawing. Now I'm going to turn it on, change layer mode to darken or multiply. Let's see which one is more showing lines. Okay, this is one, I think. Okay, that's about it for now. And let's see next. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. And this hair, this one shows texture, but I want this feeling of the image. So this one, I just want this texture on her hair, so I'm gonna make mask. I'm gonna invert the mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this with, and now it's too dark and heavy, so just reveal to show her hair texture. I want some more lighten up to show her hair texture. This is on, right? Okay, change this screen. Lighten up more, 80% now. Just leave it normal, 80%. Now let's see, it's red hair now. So, well, this is the last thing I'm gonna do. Change hair color, just because I may change the overall color. Now this effect, if I know, let me see. This is pencil drawing type. Max opacity now. Opacity max, multiply now. Darken, multiply is fine. Okay, then overlay 50. This is the overall effect come from. These lines are nice, and this is the hair I just made for texture. This is a little bit light, so go down about 75, 73, 71, 70% here. This is. Then this is a layer linear burn. Now this is luminosity 60%. Okay, this luminosity, linear burn, overlay, these 3 layers fix this kind of effect, huh? Okay, which one is the base image? Now I just want to make mask outside. Square image, or let's see, I'm gonna add a layer. Then what I'm gonna do is, well, let's see if I can do it. Select white, then brush is, well, stickman. Just leave it. I'm gonna touch up later. Beforehand, let me see this. This is her hair, right? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna reveal this mask. Too heavy to be black, so lighten up. Okay, and what else? Just test. If I copy this, duplicate, then take this off. Now I will change this color of the hair. Just meant hue saturation. Yeah, a little bit bluer. Just touch cyan, then saturation down just a little bit. Makes more natural, I think. If I compare this one is, I just changed the color, I mean the hue. Take this off. Let's see. This one is red. This is more touch yellowish. Well, okay, these are color of this, so just opacity down 70 to 65. Then this reddish, same, go down about 50. And just leave it. 2 hair layer. One is a little bit different color, yellowish. I just add 2. I'm going to take this one down just a touch more, about 30%. Then top layer, same thing. Oh, wait a minute, 30, and this is the hair, same. Go down maybe 60, 55, 2 hair layer, but different color. Not much too red. Doesn't make any much big difference. And just leave these 2, and now not much such a surprise difference. No. Let's make it something more interesting. I'm gonna add some colors. Okay, effect is leave the effect, that's it. Then let's add some color on this. How about over this layer? I add white. Now I'm gonna add some, let's see, some color of same medium airbrush. How it's gonna turn out. Let's see, maybe bluer. Make it some kind of shabby look. Let's see, change this normal to color. How it looks like. Okay, it goes kind of shabby look. Now I'm gonna add some more color on this. Okay, now it's a little more shabby look. Then how about those normal, otherwise this white border is gonna something wrong. So okay, well, okay, change back to color, leave it this way. Then I'm gonna take this white out with eraser tool. Okay, then I'm gonna add color again on color layer, blend mode. Okay, then let's see. Touch nicer. No, red. And maybe yellow or close to green. Sort of pastel color shows more different image, different feeling here too. Then maybe just add shirt, a little more saturated. Nice pastel. Well, colorize just a touch on this layer. Yeah, colorize. That all makes different feeling. Then, well, let's see. Evolve. Well, I guess that's it for today. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.